Man, I really did not want to make this video. Where the hell did my beard go? Oh.
Check your body.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. So, some news. Right now, I'm actually trying to secure a new project car for the channel. So, nothing new with the Mustang back here. Still looks nice and pretty. So, as far as this new car, I'm going to keep it a secret for a while. I want to make sure that I can acquire it and get it and stuff like that. Some of the other YouTubers out there I've actually been talking to, so if you watch this, please don't spill the beans, but they probably have a pretty good idea of what's going on. Anyway, and I wanted to take some time also to respond, respond to one of my last videos that is kind of gone viral right now. So it was the video why you should not buy the 2018 Mustang. Yes, it's kind of it was kind of a boring video, so on and so forth. I'm not going to turn this one into that, but I want to just let me switch hands. So I want to bring to everybody's attention that, you know, sometimes when, you know, us YouTube creators make these videos, you know, they're not always the most awesome thing. Sometimes they're just talking and boring, but ultimately they're our channels. So for all you loyal fans of mine that keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you so much. And if you are here for the first time, do hit the like and subscribe button, and definitely go check out all of my other content. So for some other news as well, I took the car to get it appraised. You ready? So I got him to go all the way up to $35,000 for my $51,000 car with under 5,000 miles. Yeah, there's no market for these things. I don't know what the deal is, because I was mostly just curious about, you know, what it would be worth. So yeah, not very much apparently. But that's not even the half of it. When they first told me the numbers, it was 33. Whew. So responding to the hate on the other video. So the hate was real. You know, a lot of people thought it was boring and stuff like that, but, you know, a lot of these guys were just coming in for the first time. They didn't go explore a channel or anything like that. And, you know, they kind of took it for what it was, and they left some hate. So, you know, some of it was kind of hostile. A lot of the really hostile negative remarks, you know, I did delete so you won't be able to see them. But, you know, comments, you know, that are so derogatory. I'm going to try to make this as PG as possible. And I'm not going to read what some of these comments were, but anyway, let's just say that, you know, some people were not so happy. And, you know, that's true. You know, anytime that you step in front of a camera and, you know, publicize it to the world, you are opening yourself up for criticism. I get it. You know, that's kind of the struggle with celebrities and stuff like that, which I'm not, but you know, I try to bring you guys content that you will all enjoy, stuff that I enjoy, you know, especially when it comes to like modifications and stuff like that. There's a deficit on YouTube and the internet for some of those videos, and I try to bring you as much education, you know, while being fun as possible. As far as, you know, the negative remarks, you know, I get it, you know, but most of the comments were coming from people that do not have any channels whatsoever. They're just, you know, they've got a YouTube account. They don't make their own videos. They're just normal people. And if you don't like the content, I'm sorry. But, you know, I do again encourage you to go check out my other stuff to see, you know, what is available on this channel. But as far as name calling, yeah, I don't really condone that, and I dare you to say that stuff to my face. Been pretty busy this week, and sometimes, you know, like last week I was pretty busy too, and I try to bring you guys something, even if it was just, you know, 10 minutes of sitting in the car talking. But the car's looking really sharp. But I really don't condone, you know, the hate comments. I mean, if you watch YouTube and you're making hate comments on people's videos and that's the highlight of your day, I mean, I'm sorry about it. You know, go do something else. And if you don't like my channel, move on. There's other channels, but I've got a loyal fan base going on right now. I thank you also very much for subscribing and continue to come back and watch my footage. You know, sometimes it can be difficult. Yes, a little bit about me. So, for those of you that do not know, you know, Xander is like a nickname, and I thought that it was fitting for the channel. My real name is Alex, so nice to meet you. And a little bit about where I came from. You know, I spent a long time in the Army, the active Army. Had 4 combat deployments. I was a 13 Fox. You know, a couple of those are really hard deployments, going all the way back to 2005 Iraq. So I did sustain some wartime injuries, so sometimes getting in front of a camera can be difficult. You know, most days I'm okay, but I do walk with a permanent limp, and you know, I actually have a walking cane that I have to use sometimes. So, you know, it is what it is, but at least I'm picking up the camera and filming something, and I don't generally go to other people's channels and blast them for whatever, you know, whether their videos suck or whatever. I'm not a big YouTuber, not yet. We're growing, but anyway, it is what it is. So again, about these hate comments and stuff like that, you know, it's free world, freedom of speech, all that, but I do encourage you that you know, are new to, you know, making videos and stuff like that, you know, step in front of the camera and let's see how you can do. And if it's good content, believe me, just let me know and I will subscribe to you. I like watching everybody's, you know, different videos and everybody's different styles of videos and so on and so forth. But a lot of those hate comments did come from people that have not published not even one single video on YouTube. So, you know, sometimes it can be hard, you know, to please an audience, but you know, if you're leaving hate comments and you've never done anything like that, you've never stepped in front of a camera, you've never stepped in front of an audience, anything like that, I do encourage you to go do so. And then, you know, if you can make great stuff, awesome, I'll go watch it. So for some other channel news, I am actually currently trying to acquire some new sponsorships for the channel. So that way I can bring you guys more stuff, some more content. You know, look at this beautiful blue beast right behind me. So about this new car, so don't worry, it's going to we're going to stay true to the Mustang. So, you know, I think that the 2018 is a phenomenal car, and I don't plan on going to anything else right now. So this new car, it's going to be a little bit different though, but it's still a Ford, and you're just going to have to keep watching. It's going to take me some time to throw it together and work out some finances and stuff like that to see if I can get this thing even. But it's going to be really cool. I'm really excited. So just keep watching and staying tuned to the channel. And as far as mods go for the rest of the month, it's going to be a light month. Again, we're working on some finances and saving up some money to bring you something else that's going to be really cool. So, you know, don't worry about this thing. Not a superstar on YouTube, and you know, we all have to save our money. We have budgets, and we also have, you know, mortgages and stuff like that. So, you know, a lot of the mods right now are, you know, dependent on what's in my checkbook. But again, that goes to sponsors and trying to get new ones. So again, this is just a fast update in my garage, and just wanted to really talk about, you know, the hate and stuff like that, and kind of what's coming in the future and what we got planned. Don't want to spill the beans on everything, but definitely stay, you know, glued and tuned to the channel. Keep checking back every week because we have new content, and I'll see you guys later.